Hi, hello guys. Jai Shri Radheshyam Shri Kunj Shri Hadas. We are going to read Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and Srimad Bhagavad Gita is the chapter of our understanding, and we are not understanding to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Radha Krishna. That's why people are fighting like Ukraine and Russia. And those who are foolish, they are wasting their important human life in fighting. But this life is not given to us for fighting. This life is given to us for loving to each other, to love each other and to know each other and to love Supreme Lord, Supreme God, Sri Radharani and Krishna. And those people who are fighting like Americans, Britishers, they are not gaining anything, but they are losing their time, they are losing their time, their intelligence, their mind, their money, and their relatives people, their country people. They are losing lives, and they are losing money, they are losing times, and time is very precious. So how can anyone say that American, Britishers, Europeans, all countries are fighting with Russia on the Ukraine Russia war? Why they are taking risk all of all these things, of three things: money, time and lives? They are deteriorating, devastating all the energies of the world, but they have no guidance, they are in ignorance. That's why they are fighting. Number two, the problem is nudity, pornography in the America, in the Europe, in the China or in the India. All and everywhere there is nudity, pornography. That is second thing. Number one is world war, second thing war, fighting. Number second, nudity, porn. And number three is cow meat, beef eating. People, those who are living in India or in America, Russia, Germany, Japan, anywhere on this earth, all over the world, and they are eating meat of cow, they are doing the most sin in this world. Srimati Radharani and Krishna will not leave all these peoples, all these type of peoples. So those who want to become intelligent, those who want to become a very thinkful man or woman, they have to listen. They must listen what is the history of this world. And before the 5251 years, 51 or 52 years, 5252 years before, the Supreme Lord Sri Radharani and Krishna came to this earth. In India, in Sri Dhambasana, in Mathura, they came, they did all the beautiful and loving their activities. And now we are going to discuss the Srimad Bhagavad Gita was spoken by Sri Lord Krishna to Arjun and to all of us in the Kurukshetra in Haryana, and it is in India. At the time of war, fighting was going on. So we have to understand, before 5000 years there was two persons. One was Asok Sakuntala and the son was Bharat. On his name, this India got the name Bharat, Mahabharat also. So we are going to understand the descendants of all these peoples, and there were two sons, Dhritarashtra and Pandu. and Dhritarashtra was blind. He want to get all the kingdom of his brother, of the part of his brother also, because brother had been died, Pandu. And Dhritarashtra and Pandu were brothers born in Kuru dynasty, descending from King Bharat, a former ruler of the earth, from whom the name Mahabharat derives, because Dhritarashtra, the elder brother, was born blind. The throne was otherwise would have been his, was passed down to the younger brother Pandu. When Pandu died at an early age, his 5 children Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, and Sahadev came under the care of the Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra was the elder father of the Pandu, and Pandu was died after leaving the 5 children, who in effect became for the time being the king. Thus the son of Dhritarashtra and those of Pandu grew up in the same royal household. Both were trained in the military arts by the expert Drona and concealed by the revered grandfather of the clan Bhishma. Yet the sons of Dhritarashtra, especially the eldest Duryodhana, hated and envied the Pandavas, and the blind and weak-minded Dhritarashtra wanted his own sons, not those of Pandu, to inherit the kingdom. This was the fight between the sons of Pandu and the sons of Dhritarashtra. One side was Dhritarashtra, one other side was Pandu, and Pandu had 5 sons and Dhritarashtra has 100 sons. Most elder was Duryodhana, then Dusasan, and other 98. Thus, Duryodhana, with Dhritarashtra's consent, plotted to kill the young sons of Pandu. Dhritarashtra was blind from the eyes and intelligence also, and Duryodhana wanted to kill all these brothers of his uncle, or brother of his Duryodhana, and but not the brother of the same father, but they were the sons of his uncle Pandu. And it was only by the careful protection of their uncle Vidur. Third brother was also, one is Dhritarashtra, another is Pandu, and third was Vidur. So Vidur was protecting these 5 children and their cousin Lord Sri Krishna. Was also protecting. Krishna was also in the side of the towards the side of the Pandavas, that the Pandavas escaped the many attempts against their lives, and the Lord Krishna protected their lives. Now, this is the first day. Today, we are going to start daily and daily and daily. We will do this Srimad Bhagavad Gita, then after that Srimad Bhagavatam, then somewhere Lotus Feet of Sri Radhavani and Ashtasakhi book, all the friends of Srimati Radharani, then the book on the chanting of the names of Srimati Radharani and Krishna, or Supreme Lord Radha Krishna. Then we can understand, and we will have this journey, and you and me together we will have that journey, and after 1 year or 2 years, you and me both, and the all viewers and listeners will get a real happiness. This is reality, this is truth, this is belief, and this is my words to you. Okay? Jai Shri Radhe Krishna राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे 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 श्याम 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 राधे 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 कृष्ण 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 राधे 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 श्याम 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 राधे राधे. I want to tell you one most important thing, that those people who are listening or viewing me, these are my dress, this is my dress, these are my clothes, and of what I am doing the parikrama, the total complete 1 2 3 4 5 round by lay down and 5 times stand up, then lay down, stand up, then lay down, stand up and lay down. I am doing these 5 times rounds, 5 rounds of the circle of Sri Dham Barsana. This is the smallest circle, and by doing so Lord Sri Radha Krishna will become happy, and this is our nice and best service by which we can keep our body healthy, mind healthy, and our soul healthy, and in full happiness, eternal happiness we can get by doing so. So you, whenever you come to the Sri Dham Barsana or the Braj Dham or Mathura, Govardhan, Barsana, Vrindavan, anywhere, so I want to say you one thing, please do parikrama by lay down, not on by barefoot, also by laying down of yourself, and by doing these type of parikramas you will get the real happiness, and your Raj, the scent of Sri Dham Barsana, you will get on your face, on your hands, on your clothes, and you will feel the real happiness of your soul, of your real mind, your real peace, real ego. You will get all of these. You are not the creator, I am not the creator. That we have to understand who is the creators. Lord, Supreme Lord Sri Radharani and Krishna are the creators. We have to worship of these. Radhe Krishna, Jai Shri Radhe Shyam. Radhe Krishna भगवान की जय, सभी संत भक्तों की जय, जय जय श्री. All the glories to the devotees. जय जय श्री राधे.